Hello, this is a video on Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation is a reaction where an ester forms an enolate and it reacts to condense with another ester. And there are typically two conditions for this to happen. The first thing is that we can't use NaOH to deprotonate this alpha carbon and produce the enolate. We must use an OR minus group. We must use an alkoxide. And the alkoxide we use, this is the first condition, the alkoxide we use has to match the OR group on the ester, or else we'll risk competing esterification, or sideways ester reactions. So it has to be an alkoxide group, and it has to be an alkoxide matching the ester group on this OR group on this ester. This is how it reacts. An OR minus protonates, and the enolate is produced as usual. To get this enolate, we react it with another ester. Attacks this way, break the pi bond, attack at the carbonyl carbon. The enolate ester is untouched. However, this negative charge comes down, and this is a leaving group that goes away now, and we form this intermediate. Now the OR group that we had deprotonates again, and it places a negative charge here, and this is how the reaction ends, with a minus right there. Now, with Claisen condensation, the deprotonation of the second alpha carbon is necessary to drive this reaction forward. That's why we must have at least two hydrogens on the alpha carbon present in order for this reaction to work. In order to obtain the neutral product, we must also have an acidic workup step, whereby a hydronium ion can protonate this enolate, and we form our alpha beta keto ester. That's neutral. And this is the reaction for Claisen condensation.